On top with tori for today, economy opportunities na im go bring better Collabo and Deve for the countries dem. Na President Buhari na im yarn this one. E don show well say Naija and Netherlands dey enjoy better Collabo on top market matter wey oyinbo dey call trade relations. The two countries bin no dey same level until economy Deve for the world. Na im make President Buhari come talk say opportunity wey dey for economy na im go bring better Collabo and Deve for the two countries. E tok say Naija don dey waka go up for World Bank ease of doing business as dem for federal government dey work on top corruption katakata, infrastructure, power and transport matter for the country.
Nigeria is the largest economy in Africa. Nigeria is the most populous country in Africa. We are moving up in World Bank ease of doing business rating. We are tackling corruption and we are developing our infrastructure, power and transport, and modernizing our ports.
Naija President tok say with better resources, better land for farm matter, correct market space dem, and people wey sabi work well, e no get place wey better for investment matter for the world wey pass Nigeria. We be say na Naija get all these ogbonge things wey fit handle business well.
Now is the opportune moment for Nigeria and the Netherlands to engage more concretely and collaborate more closely for our mutual economic benefit and sustainable development of our two countries. As we develop our infrastructure, our microeconomic policies are being strengthened in order to guarantee economic stability.
Prime Minister Rutte dey Naija unto 2-day working visit as im lead trade delegation of 8 chief executive officers of Dutch multinationals wey get ogbonge investment portfolio for agriculture, finance and oil and gas sector.
We are already good at working together. But what really unites the Nigerians and the Dutch is the ambition to always go that extra mile. And there are plenty of opportunities, whether it is in agri-food, energy, health, maritime technology, or another economic sectors.
One of the big companies then will be Royal Friesland Campina Wamco, where manager director Ben Lagat, he don sign memorandum of understanding on top dairy chain development with Niger State government. And our Governor Abubakar Sani Bello will be governor of Niger State. Now he signed this ogbonge memorandum with him. The memorandum of understanding work now to help Niger save $1.2 billion on top milk importation than a milk where they enter the country. And that's one it go help save Niger money well.
We have a dairy development program where we help farmers to improve the quality and the quantity of the milk production. And we do that in Oyo State already, and we're going to extend that now to Niger State.
We are very excited about the whole thing because it will improve our revenues, it will create jobs, and most importantly, there will be value addition in the livestock industry.
We at the ministry, we're going to look at this MOU and see how we can actually implement, and not just implement, but really practicalize the tenets contained in the MOU.
Now here we see the ogbonge information reach on top with tori for today as Naija President Buhari don yarn am give them. Say economic opportunities na im go help bring better Collabo and Deve for the countries then for the world. And he talk this one when Prime Minister Rutte when he be waka come Nigeria as be say ogbonge Collabo don dey shele between Nigeria and Netherlands. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge tori wey dey reach una so on top with tori for today. Na T Live Media na im dey bring am come give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp information, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, first follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.